Hi everyone and welcome back to Boat McRill. As you can see, we're back up at McRill again, and I also have my old McRill hat on for the day. What's going on right now is have already pre-started a little bit working with the areas where the windscreens are supposed to be mounted back later on, and there's some reinforcements and other stuff that needs to be taken care of. Already started to clean off the port side, and right now I'm over to starboard side. All these areas up here that's wood today, I'm actually gonna glass them so that there's gonna be fiberglass and epoxy, and that's because I don't want to end up with the same problem as I had. I want to protect this so I don't need to redo all this again in the future. One thing that I've noticed on my YouTube analytics is that that's about 60% of the people watching my videos aren't subscribing to the channel. So please hit the subscription button down on your right side on the screen, the notification bell, put it on all so you don't miss any of my videos, and let's come back in here next week and see if the subscriber count actually going up. Because 60% non-subscribers, I know there's a lot of people watching. I would also love if you wanted to be kind enough to subscribe to the channel, would help me a lot. So as you can see here, I got a little bit of a box here that I got yesterday, and it's actually something called Lignu, and it's a impregnating epoxy that I'm going to try and treat all of these wooden areas with, just to see if I can get a little bit better life of this wood. You mix this half-half, and then you put it on with a brush or a roller on the surface, and then you let it sink in. I'm going to use a brush, and I'm also gonna mix it in 2 cups. It says that you mix it in 2 cups. This it says that it cures down to 0 degrees, and the next couple of days here is going to be about around 10, so that will work perfectly fine. Of course, you're always drying off with acetone before you put this on. I have no clue how much I'm gonna use, so I'm gonna start with like a 50 milliliter of each and see how much it goes. You're supposed to shake it pretty good before you use it. I think it says that you're supposed to have a mask on, so of course I put my mask on.